Got some Santa mail today, guys. Went to the Louis store, got a little Christmas Santa surprise. Let's go unbox it. If you guys didn't know, we actually won this after making a video on YouTube. So that was a nice come up, but this is a special gift. I've never been gifted a nice Louis item, but let's check it out. I mean, we'll look at that later, guys. This is what we're getting down to right here, right now. Right here, right now. Ooh, this is nice. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh. Fresh LV, so fresh the sticker is still on it. Damn, this feels nice. Ooh, it's got like some engraving in here. Made in Spain. Damn, I didn't know Louis made stuff in Spain. Let's peel this off and get that fresh Louis look, baby. Damn. Does it match the backpack? That's all that really matters. Does it match? Yep, it matches. Beautiful. And check this out. It's also reversible, so I'm not exactly sure how to do that, but I can flip it in so it's this nice solid black, or we can flip it to the monogram finish, which is gonna look great whenever I'm dressed nicely with the backpack. We just flipped it and I made it reversible. So the monogram is gonna be on the inside because black's probably gonna be better with the outfit tonight. We're gonna go to a little Christmas party. Gonna be fun, just keeping it chill. And honestly, my buddy put this thought in my mind about mindset and just when you own this kind of stuff, when you drive a nice car, when you dress up and wear nice clothes and a nice suit, I mean, you embody that, and then that gets you the better clients that it just makes you feel like the person you were always trying to become, if that's success. So I'm gonna try and embody that, and I don't know. I'm done rocking the skater clothes. Yeah, I just wanted to put that in everyone's head out there that's listening to this right now, because when you do that, you can rise to your full potential. So thanks so much for watching this quick video. I'm gonna enjoy this. We're gonna go hit the holiday party, and we'll catch you later. Thanks a lot, Iris. I love you. Bye.